Here we go. Woo! Welcome back, folks. Once again, we meet at the house that never sleeps. What are we doing today? Got viewer mail, fan mail, whatever you call it. And something I think you guys would want to see. I actually got two packages here. And I'm pretty sure what one of them is. The other one I don't know what it is. So I'll go ahead and put these on. The one that I don't know what it is, I don't know who it is. Or who it's from, I mean. No idea in the world who this package right here is from. Or what it is. We're going to find out right now. It came today, the same time that package did. The other one. I might have to get a knife to get it open. How are you all getting along, man? Hope all's well. We're doing okay here, except for Q-Ball. She's having it rough, man, I'll tell you. Bladder stones is what the vet said that she has. Well, that all in there, it is, isn't it? Yeah. Well, it looks like 2 sets of 4 pieces. Saddle and nut, made of real bone. Bliss time. I'll just bring it over there and show you. Get the light right on it so you can see it. They're compensated saddles too, they look like. Yeah. I don't think the nuts are compensated, but they're bone. And the saddles are bone, that's what it says. I'll take them out of the pack to find out for sure, but they look like bone. I don't know who to thank for this. There's no return address. You know, if I take a package to the post office, if I don't put my return address on it, they won't even mail it. And it's USPS. This is from USPS, but it doesn't say who sent it or the address from where it originated. Anyways, thank you. Whoever you are, thanks, man. I can use these. I don't always like making the things. It takes forever, man, to make a bone saddle or nut. Oh, well, not forever, but I mean, you know, it's pretty time consuming. This one I know who it's from, but I can't tell you. I can't do it. I don't want to dox this guy, because he's doing all of us a favor. I don't even know if I can tell you his name or not. I won't say what his name is on this video. I'll check with him first and make sure it's okay. And if it's okay, then I'll put a link to his channel maybe in this description. So if you look in the description and you see a link to this guy's channel, you'll know who it is. Plus you'll know who sent this stuff here. What do we got? We got a Tusk pick. ST 0.68. I don't know where my... Oh man, he sent a whole box of goodies, it looks like. Red Bridge multi-in-one memory card. I always use those. Yeah, man. This is cool right here. SD, MMC, RS, MMC, flash memory card. I don't see any size though. M2, USB 2. I like that. That'll be faster than the old ones I got. Anyway, here's what that looks like. There's the USB port. And it's got a port right there, looks like for another SD card to plug in. And there's the pick. Hold that up there and let you have a good look at that. A Tusk pick. Someone sent me a couple of these one time, Tusk picks, and I liked them. I really liked them. I liked the blue chip better, but I liked the Tusk one. I mean, the thing, I just liked the sound it had. Now here's something we can all use, man. Oh, there's something in there. Oh, it's a slide. Dude! Wow, man. Check it out. Now we'll be playing some slide guitar. Yes, sir. I had one of those that got broke. It was glass, too, just like that. And I kind of knocked it off of the amp one night at a jam. Actually, it was at a show we were doing. And it hit something. I can't remember. It hit something in the floor. This is what I was talking about. We can all use them. Good to keep your beer cold. Keep your beer cold, man. Wow. I don't know whether to tell you this guy's name or not. I think this is the piece right here. Oh, this is a, whoa, dude. Wow, this is like a late Christmas for me. Check that knife out, man. What is it? NRA, National Rifles Association. I used to belong to that. 440 China. Got a lock blade, show it to you again. Got a locking blade in it. That's really nice, man. And you know what? I need a knife like right now. So that's going in my pocket right here. Right here I see the part that made all this happen with this package. I don't know about the other one. I'm going to hold off on that. We'll get that out last. Let's see. Finger ease. This is good stuff too. I used to use this stuff. God, I didn't know they still made it, man. And wouldn't you know, it says Tone Finger Ease. Check that out. Tone Finger Ease. I wonder if that's a product by Gibson. You know, they made that tone polish a while back. Rub it into your guitar, makes you have more tone, makes your tone better. Can't believe some of the stuff that those companies are doing, man. Unbelievable. I'm going to save that one part for last. I think here's something else. A tuner, I believe. LT-21 reverb.com. Wow, that's a nice tuner, man. It looks like. Maybe there's no battery in it, but I've got tons of batteries. Let me show it to you. I get to looking at this stuff, I'm like a baby, man. I forget to show you. Check it out, man. There's what it looks like, the rear of it. I'm pretty sure that's, I don't know how to get that off, but I've got a bunch of those batteries. I'm sure that will fit this. I'll have to figure out how to get into it, but wow. Dwayne, thank you, man. Well, I think I just let your name slip. Alright. We have a love letter. I think I see a love letter. Yes, we do. We have a love letter. See if it's safe to read to you guys. Okay, feel free to dox me. Alright. The letter says, "Hi Randy, here's a bunch of stuff for you. The Gibson tailpiece." I just gave the whole surprise away. The Gibson tailpiece, a big glass slide that might work for you with your hand problem, and other stuff. Like a tusk pick. Enjoy, feel free to dox me and the subs, okay? Dwayne, thank you, man. I appreciate it. Wow, just wow. I didn't know he's going to send all this stuff, man. Alright, well, here's the piece that brought all this on. And there's cue ball. You feeling better, baby. I can't pick her up because of those bladder stones. I can't, it hurts her to pick her up. Anyways, let me show you this. This is what we've all been waiting for, folks. This is for the contest guitar. Let's hope and pray that it fits. And we're going to try it right now. I gave Dwayne the measurements. He checked and he said that they appear to be the same. Uh-oh. Alright. This pole is up higher than the other one. Hold on. Wow, man. Don't tell me it won't go up. Yeah, it did go up over one of them. It should go up over them both. I think it'll fit. It's just going to be really, really tight for some reason. I don't know why that one's not trying this. Yeah, it goes on that side. Well, that one goes in there now. Alright, hold on. There we go. I've got to screw that back down. It's going to take a little bit of finessing. But I'm almost absolutely certain I can make that work. It's just not wanting to cooperate at all, right? You know, when the camera runs, nothing ever does. But I'm pretty sure it'll work. I may even have to, the way it's fitting, I might have to file a tiny little bit inside of these where it slides up over the poles. These poles I'm talking about. I'm almost 100% sure I'll make it work though. There, it almost went. Yeah, and it'll almost go, but you got to really squeeze it hard to get both of them at the same time on there. But it's like they're lining up okay. It's just like one side's higher than the other. Like right now, this side, I can't turn it. Yeah, I did. Seems like it needs to come up. Yeah, I'm going to have to do a little bit of filing on that, I think, to make it fit, but it'll work. The poles in the guitar, I think, are a little bit wider in diameter than those slots right there are. Just ever so lightly a little bit. But I'm pretty sure this will work. I'll show it to you one more time. Beautiful, man. Absolutely beautiful. That's exactly what I've been waiting on. Now we can start setting this guitar up, or at least get strings on it and, you know, get started in that direction. And then when February 22nd comes around, I don't want to break this. February 22nd comes around, it'll be ready to go. Or shortly after that, I'll set it to the winter specs or whatever. And you guys stay tuned, because we're going to have another contest when this one is over with. Might as well show you this while we're here. Here she is. She's up for grabs, folks. Contest is going on right now. I hope it's still going on when you see this video. Well, I'm sure it will be, because the guitar will still be here. So, Dwayne, thank you so much, man. I can't believe you sent all this stuff. That's very cool of you. This will get a lot of good use, I guarantee it. And it don't have to be summertime either, if you know what I mean. So there you go, folks. Man, just a whole bunch of good stuff here. Thank you guys for watching. I'm going to put all this stuff to good use, especially the tailpiece. I done lost it. Here it is. And by the way, I wanted to mention, I almost forgot, a couple years ago, someone went to a lot of trouble and did a lot of work creating a fan page for me. I'm going to put links down here to it if y'all want to go check it out. Whoever did that, I'd like to know who you were, man. Because I'd like to thank you for it. I like it. There's a lot of work been put into that, and I commented on it today. But I don't know who made the fan page. Like I said, I put a link down there to it. Y'all can check it out. And comment if you want. Or just look through it or whatever. It's free. And I'd like to know who did all that work, though. It's been like a year and a half ago, I think. And I'd just like to thank whoever did that. And thank you guys, you subscribers. Thank you to the patrons. All of you guys, man, that show your support for this channel. Dwayne, thank you so much, man, for this stuff. And if I can find out who sent this, I'll thank you, too. The nuts and saddles, what do I do with them? They got to be right here, man. I just had them like a few minutes ago. Wow. Whoever sent those, I'd like to thank you for them. Put in the comments if you sent these, so I can thank you for them. And I can't think of anything else. I got a few little notes over here. Link to fan page, yeah. Oh yeah, about the video of oiling your fretboard thing. I'm not even going to respond to that, man. I'm not even going to waste the time to make a reply to that Dr. Whatever its name, whoever he thinks he is. Rosewood is a very oily wood, naturally a very oily wood. And you want to keep that wood in that oil in that wood as long as you naturally can. Put water in there and make it all come to the top. Eventually it'll go dry and it'll crack if you don't put something else on it and keep it humidified. Anyways, I'm not going to get into all of that noise, man. Just, you know, anybody watches that, it's just you're wasting your time is what you're doing. Cheers, thanks for watching, all you guys. Thanks, Dwayne, again. I appreciate everything you sent, man. You rock, dude. And I hope you have a very good chance at winning this guitar. You might very well get this back if you win the contest. Cheers to y'all. See you on, I don't know what, we'll probably be working on this on the next video. Cheers. See you then. It does have a battery in it. I just wasn't holding in the, you gotta hold the button in a few seconds. Wow. Cool, man. If it had strings on this, I could try it out. Woo! Boogity bop.